In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language setting in Teamviewer. Whether you're new to Teamviewer or a seasoned user, adjusting the language settings can help make the interface more intuitive and user-friendly, especially if it's not currently set to your preferred language. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you have Teamviewer installed and ready to go on your local machine. If it's your first time using this tool, you might take a moment to familiarize yourself with its basic layout. Once you're comfortable, start by launching the Teamviewer application. This step is pretty straightforward. Simply click on the Teamviewer icon to bring up the main interface. Now that we're in Teamviewer, it's time to navigate to the Settings area, where we'll find the option to change the language. Look towards the top of the interface and locate the menu bar. Within the menu options, you'll find an entry labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this list, select Advanced. You're doing great. Now that you're at the Advanced settings, find the section that deals with language preferences. Here, there will be a drop-down menu labeled Display Language. This menu will enable you to choose from a variety of languages. Simply click on it, and it will reveal the available language options. Take your time to scroll through the list and pick the language that suits you best. Once it's selected, Teamviewer will update its settings accordingly. At this point, it's important to understand that any changes made to the language settings won't take effect immediately. A quick exit and re-entry into the application is required. So, simply close the Teamviewer application by clicking on the Exit button, usually found in the top right corner of the window. After closing, wait a few moments and then reopen the Teamviewer application. You'll notice that the interface now appears in the language you selected earlier. This ensures that you can navigate through all its features more comfortably, and perhaps even uncover some previously overlooked functionalities due to language barriers. That wraps up our guide on changing the language in Teamviewer. This quick and easy process can significantly enhance your user experience by letting you operate in the language you're most comfortable with. Remember, if for any reason you need to revert back to the original language or try a different one, you can always repeat these steps as needed. Feel free to leave your comments if you have questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Teamviewer in your language of choice.